All right, so this is an update for a test that I started a while back. So if you're new to the group, I bought a tool based on a recommendation that it was being utilized for the aid of ranking videos by utilizing Money Robot to do mass video embeds. So I went ahead and purchased the tool. So I purchased the money in late October. I did some other backlinks, but I was really looking at the map embed. We'll go back and visit this again, maybe next month or the month after, but I want to get this test out so you guys know, if you're doing any video marketing or maybe you're utilizing my services for video marketing, this can be helpful. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I wanted to test the effectiveness of the embed backlinks that were built after seeing it as a part of another SEO's video ranking strategy. Okay, this was being sold as a very expensive piece of a strategy. So I just wanted to test it single-handedly. All right, so the links on paper obviously are high DA, high PA. This is a Moz metric. And in most cases, they're quite high, right? So I've seen high spam scores, low spam scores, high DA, low DA, right? All different mixes, okay? So appearing in the search results should not be an issue, right? So making it past the quality filter and into the search results really should not be that big of a problem, right? So with that being said, I created 335 Web 2.0 links, okay? I also created 515 profile links, all right? The test really, okay, was selfishly to see if it could help me rank a embed video. Okay, like, can I will this actually help me rank my video inside of YouTube, but more importantly, in organic, all right, in Google organic. So we can take a few notes out of this, but we want to see, all right, do the links show in search results? 2, can the links help rank videos on Google and in YouTube? Okay. Okay. And then figure out what sites indexed, if any, and see what the best ones were that were actually built. So before this video, I actually went ahead and took the liberty of opening up Money Robot. All right. So as you can see inside of here, we were running this test. I just want to go ahead and show this to you. 12/28 was the last time I was in here. All right. So let's just open this up. We'll go over here to URLs. Oh, my mistake. My first project, URLs. So as you can see, it lists out all of the URLs, the profiles, and the Web 2.0s. Okay. I believe there's about 715 or 815 of them. Let's go over here. Okay. So Web 2.0s 335 and the Web 2s 515, or the profiles 515. Now I didn't want to mess with it. I just built the links. All right. I just bought the tool, turned it on. I didn't mess with it. I didn't add anything. I just turned it on and I wanted to see the embed deal. That's really what I was after. Okay. I'll share with you what I did and what these look like. Okay. So if you come over here and you take a look here, the one where I did the most was for a video for CTR manipulation. Okay. I was pushing this video out here. I'll go ahead and refresh this. So this embed, for whatever reason, these links didn't show up, but the embed has a URL. It's an embed URL, okay? So I just want to let you know that, all right? So I tried this on some other videos too, but the majority of the URLs, the links, were done utilizing this right here, okay? So using the CTR tool. If we come inside of here, I'll show you another one briefly here. We'll come over here to the profiles. And if we go inside of one of these profiles, just grab one of these just to show you what they look like. This is a profile. All right, so here's the embed code. I was showing that. All right, so you don't have any posts. So this one actually got washed. So that's quite interesting. All right, so projects. All right, so URLs. So these are the ones that say user, okay? So here, we'll just grab this one, copy. We'll bring it over, just so you have an idea of what these look like. All right, so this is really what I was doing. So I was coming inside of here, grabbing this put in a name, address, phone number, so an unstructured citation, along with pointed to one of my newer YouTube channels, okay? Now, aside from that, I was also embedding these. I just wanted to show you what the profiles look like, okay? The majority was ranking this because I was going to utilize this domain for a new tool, okay? So that was, it's like a little promo, and I wanted to see, hey, can I push this video up, all right? Now, what I did, I know we're looking to see rankings, but what I did, I closed it out, is I actually ran, I'll go ahead and show you. I actually ran a check, okay? So check indexed, Google index. We have the 50 URLs, okay? So we're going to right click, replace clipboard current list, okay? Let's come on over here, okay? We could take every single one of these URLs that was built, all right? We'll right click and we are going to paste, replace from clipboard, replace current list. Okay, so now we're going to come over here to the right hand side and we're going to check if indexed, Google indexed. We're going to do use site colon, so that's a site colon check, and we're going to go ahead and start this up. Now I just did this, I can't believe I closed it down. To hurry this up, I'll let you know that not one of these made it into the search results. Not one. However, with that being said, okay, I want to share with you the results, okay? Because remember, when I first set this up, and you can go back and watch the other videos, when I was setting this up, what I was really curious of was there was a strategy for using these embeds, and it was part of the system, all right? So I want to see, do these links show up in the search results? The answer is no, they do not. So the answer is actually no, not how we built them, okay? No, the sites, okay. Let's just do it this way. Results are quite clear. Okay, so one, not one URL showed inside of the search results, okay, using site colon search, okay. 2, can these links help videos on Google and in YouTube? 3, figure out what sites indexed and if any, so we're going to go to 3, no sites indexed in search results. But I have a very interesting result for you, okay? Here's what's interesting. If you come out here and you take a look, remember this video. All right, there was no other promotion, but if I come out here, we'll go to incognito, all right? We go here to Google. What's very interesting, if I search CTR manipulation, okay, that's the name of that video. And I have, remember, I have a magnitude of CTR manipulation videos. And on top of that, I have one that's featured inside of Wikipedia, okay? This video is outbeating those, okay? Since I've realized this, I of course put it onto my website, okay? But this is the YouTube video. This is the one, all right? If we come in here to videos for CTR manipulation, again, I'm right underneath, but I'm right here. And then if we search for click-through rate manipulation, okay, again, I have the top video, #1 video. Now, what's interesting here is if we head over to YouTube, okay, I'll show you this inside of incognito. If you search for CTR manipulation, I might not be ranking at the top as of now, but if you take a look at this video, out of all the CTR videos that I have, this is the one that's showcased on Wikipedia, okay? This one's on Wikipedia. This one has the embeds built to it and is also on my site now, okay? So I just wanted to share this result. Let's go over here to search Scrapebox so I can share this with you. Look at this. I checked every single one, completed. Not one was found in the index. Not one. Not indexed. Indexed. Not one site. Not one profile. So that's going to wrap up this test. This started a while back. It dawned on me, hey, I want to showcase this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm showcasing the results. So hopefully this can help you. We will visit Money Robot again, but probably next month. All right. So I'll see you.